Welcome to Scale Modeling Videos. In today's video, I will be doing an in-box review of the Hobbyboss ZSL 92B IFV. Okay, let's have a look at the box art first. Okay, nice box art depicting the vehicle on a dirt track. Picture of the vehicle painted, paint call out. Comes with photo etch parts, a bit about the vehicle. You can pause the video and read it if you wish. Okay, so kit number is 82456. Another picture of the paint call out. Okay, alright, that's the box. Lots of sprues, all in separate bags, very nice. And we get a picture of the box art. Very nice. Well done, Hobbyboss. And it looks like a catalog of their other kits. Okay. Here we have the bottom of the hull. Okay. Some nice details on the bottom. Top of the hull. Weld seams molded on, very nice. Recessed panel lines and raised rivets. Nice texture. Okay, the turret, once again, weld seams have been molded on, very nice. The cover of the turret. Antenna and other small details. Very nice. Okay, so the back of the vehicle, some hatches, exhausts, tools, windows, another rope. Very nice detail on the rope. Fans. Ejector pin marks on the inside, so if you want to open this vehicle you will need to clean these up. This kit does not come with an interior. Looks like a duplicate screw. Three identical screws. Yep, three identical screws. Okay, just do one of them. Suspension. Wheels. More hatches. Nice. And yep, a duplicate sprue. Another duplicate sprue. Okay. Nice, there's no ejector pin marks on the inside of these hatches. Okay, photo etch parts. These look like wires for the lights, exhausts, clear parts for the windows. Decals. Stuck on with some tape. It's a nice touch. Okay. Bit of carrier film on this one. Overall, very nice. Okay, color collate, a three-tone color camo scheme it looks like, and then you have color collates in Vallejo, Model Master, Tamiya, and Humbrol, and Mr. Hobby. Very nice. Okay. And lastly, got some wheels. Very nicely done. And these are rubber wheels. Now let's go into the instructions. So we have a booklet type instruction. Okay, you can pause the video at any point. First page. Okay. The bottom of the hull, wheels, the back, top of the hull, the hulls joining together, the turret, screw call out, in total complete in 6 steps. Something I forgot to mention is the turret itself is actually a single piece. Okay, so very nice there. Alright, that's it for this review. I hope you liked it. Once again, I'd like to say thank you to all my current subscribers. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch my videos. Alright. Take care.